Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Claim Premium, the motor logo of Heroes event in FC Mobile. This is the Ramirez Premium logo. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Heroes event, this one, and welcome to the Heroes event. So we can tap this heroes puzzle. As you can see, I already unlock all the puzzle of this premium motor logo. He is a Ramirez, so it's very easy to claim this Ramirez. All you have to do is go to the heroes expedition and play this heroes expedition. You can play this every day, every 6 hours. As you can see, I already completed 15 times. So each time this heroes expedition complete, you can get this puzzle. So collect them all to unlock this premium motor logo. Tap free button, tap to open, and we got premium the motor logo. Let's check it out in this club and go to the locker room, to the user logo. This is the premium motor logo of Ramirez, aka Ramirez, the motor of heroes. Tap confirm, change save. So as you can see, my user logo is changed into Ramirez, the motor logo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.